When I say animal, I didn't talk about the ones we can consume. I'm talking about pets. Puppy. Abi, is there some persons that eat dog?
Calabar people they chop dog now.
Really?
That's in the house. Where that guy?
I'm not with you
Okay.
on your this
Yeah.
one.
I'm just saying. You're
on this alone.
Yeah.
I'm not with you on that at all.
Mm.
So, but anyway, see, yeah, even if they do that, certainly there'll be shortage of diversity of crops too.
Yeah, definitely.
So that's
definitely.
why I'm big on no for when it comes to plants.
But you said puppy. Like, are you saying that they should edit puppy's genes to make them what? They like to stay puppy forever or to
stay
not
puppy forever? Because I don't like dogs. So it still goes to personal interest to everybody.
Oh, stay puppy forever. Wow, that's new.
Even me being a lover of cats, I wouldn't want my cat to go so big that to start giving birth. Why?
I just want to be like a kitten for life.
Forever. So cute.
You get see updates though. No, you don't drop updates now. So like maybe the feed us okay for tomorrow. You go sharp now.
Okay, so what do you think? What do you think is the disadvantage for this? Because she's been asking me. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode on Intalks with Intalks, and I am your host Millicent, and with my cute colleague.
Yeah.
Especially my life anyways.
It's your boy Dre. Yeah. So
how have you been?
I've been there.
Take it easy. I know you're very excited about the topic.
The topic is actually very nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll hand it over to you. What do you have to say?
The topic for today, let's come at GMOs.
Yes.
Genetically Modified Organisms.
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared though.
Why are you scared?
Have you seen this movie? What do you call this movie? It's not Terminator. Is it Terminator? It's Terminator now.
3102.
The one that has Skynet, where like they made the AI to take over like all the cars, and then all the cars became like they said to fall. No, it's Fast and Furious. Sorry. Jesus,
I'm trying to trace which of the seasons.
It's Fast and Furious.
Okay.
Where they use like Skynet to like make all the cars. They just started infecting all the cars. They make all the cars to just to move in a particular. Do you get? Imagine you're on the road right now, yeah, and all the cars in those states are coming for you. They just start driving to come like, bro. That's a lot.
Yeah, it's scary, and the change is massive. So it's a lot to take in, right? Yeah. And the fact that this involves plants and animals or organisms whose genetic materials has been altered.
Yeah.
You get. So, like, I had an experience there was a day last week, I ate catfish, but the catfish was not giving that natural feel. The taste was off, the cuttings were off. It feels like it's a rubber, plastic.
They break.
They break.
The fish just did.
You've had that experience as well.
I've eaten rubber rice. Oh my! You will take the rice, you will press the rice, you will stone it to bounce.
True.
In Kano State, rubber rice.
Wow! And you know that there is an agency that has approved the genetically modified organisms here in Nigeria, and it was approved this year, and it was being initiated 2015. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And okay, I'm trying to remember the name of the organization. It's NBMA, National Bio Safety Management Agency.
I mean, for them to like that is another thing is that this body, right? I don't know who they are, but it now stems from the points of government and corporate influence. It's not like is it that the government is looking out for the people, like, oh, let us bring in GMO to the country and help Nigerians, right? Yeah. Or is it, oh, they've been paid properly to allow it to run?
You get.
I mean, everything I'm just allegedly,
and the money keeps increasing at that corner. Nice.
Financial lobby and all that jazz. But it's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. There's this thing that came up. Bill Gates. So Bill Gates was like, he wanted to carry out GMO for mosquitoes, such that they would fix these mosquitoes. Yes. These mosquitoes will go into the wild. Okay, so guys, listen, this is it. Malaria is being spread by the female Anopheles mosquito. The male mosquitoes don't spread malaria, so male can bite you like 2 million times, guy. You could just they run your pee, the guy normal. But the female are the ones that spread, the infection.
Infection.
What was it? I think it's botanical name, I think the chemical name of the scientific name is something plasmodium. Shy is that there. So now, what they did was they made.
You know there are different species.
Yeah. The what do you call it? So these male mosquitoes, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the male Anopheles mosquito, right? They made them alter their genes. So what they do is that they go into the wild, and mate with these these females, and these females cannot produce offspring.
Okay, so
yeah,
in turn, you're like trying to erase putting mosquitoes into extinction.
Yes, they can extinct them.
Yeah,
you understand?
Oh, okay. And, in the same vein, it's going to have a downside because I feel things working out naturally the way we find ourselves in this earth is for a reason. Now, if these mosquitoes should go to extinction, then how would our body fight bacteria?
Malaria.
Because,
do you
get? Because now it is there for us to have those, what is it called? Those is it molecules or genes
like
or
antibodies.
Antibodies. You get to fight these things in the sense that making our body resistant and functioning naturally. So if these things should go to extinction, like mosquito in particular, how would our body adjust?
I mean, because I feel like every living thing on earth has its economic importance, right? Just do you have you see what's the economic importance of let me say bee now. They pollinate flowers. Even though if they sting you, will collect. It's no good. Yes, now. So I feel like every animal has its own economic importance. Because God knows you can create within just like they give you malaria. Normal. It day, but there's also this good side, right? Everything has a con.
It's
has a
giving that balance.
So then you're trying to extinct it out. It's sad.
Very sad.
But then people are not complaining that the mosquito that they claim to create to reduce this malaria infection is now more. So now countries are moving to ban it. Like it's as if the project failed. Instead of the project to reduce the mosquitoes, increase.
Oh.
Telling you that you can't really fight nature.
Yeah.
Just like
and it said that he tried that in 2 different countries.
Yeah, he did this in Burkina Faso. He also did this in Djibouti.
So now persons will be wondering how this GMO is created by scientists. Observing other organisms that they can take off those traits from, or observing those organisms that have the kind of traits they want, and then they insert these genes to what they intend inserting to, and then you have it.
But then again, I'm thinking that people always come with this front of GMO is here to save, GMO is here to help. But if you really don't really want to help people, if you really if for science wants to really help people, look at everybody in this studio right now.
Yeah.
The number one key factor that affects everybody here is food. Hunger is real. Instead of trying to plant food to feed everybody, why not look at how do we work on genes such that people don't really feel that they have the same
hungry.
That hunger is going to be suppressed and they still have the energy to do more. So how do we edit the gene of a human being to be like that? Instead of let's go and make mosquito that will reduce the mosquito that will make the
Are you sure that is not why they created the M5 or the M15? What is it called?
M15.
Yeah, the alien stuff. So they can experiment on humans to know what works for us and what do not work for us. But however, we are limited, even as though yes, we have not made use of we have not made use of 2% of our brain. We are still limited regardless.
Yeah, heavily.
There's some things that is just like a boundary to us. We just cannot cross that line. True. I feel they should do what they can, and at the same time they should be conscious of humans. Even as yes, it's promising, it's going to reduce food costs, it's going to provide food security and all that. In the same vein, they should also look out for the health benefit, because even as though it makes sense in a way, it also has its own downside, and it's much.
True.
Because now even GMO seed will be very costly.
Yeah.
If I don't have the money to purchase that means I'm going to die of hunger.
You can't plant for the next season. They're making seeds that I buy your seeds. I plant these seeds. They grow. They provide harvest. That harvest, the seeds from that harvest, you can't replant it.
It's crazy. You still have to purchase the seed the way you purchase seedlings.
That means you're basically putting the farmers on subscription model. Do you get everybody can subscribe to your organization because everybody needs the seed. Bruh, so to
So
me,
is it boils down to the initial thing you said about, it going around and making money?
yeah, it's money. I don't know if it's money. Because Africa is, I mean, we are the food baskets, right? So why are you trying to
Yeah.
give us better? Who told you don't have better
Yeah.
seeds?
They just giving that vibe of they gave us a Bible and they took our land. Sorry.
Yeah, you said it all. You said everything. You said it all. You said it all.
Okay. And there was a trend that I think I saw that on TikTok. I can't remember when specifically, where you purchase watermelon, and they do that a lot with fruits.
Mm.
Yeah, where a lady purchased watermelon and the watermelon busted even before she could open it. So
Like,
if it's a natural thing, why would it even be like
like you
that?
just bought.
Yeah, it exploded. Watermelon.
Let's see the food banger inside. Make the thing make poo.
Then a different watermelon, she could not chew it. No, for real. No,
It was
jokes.
rubber.
She could not chew it. So GMO is good in a way, but it should be applied to appropriate things and not food, because we should be conscious of what we take into our body.
The curious part is that this GMO, yeah, are not even allowed in America. There's no such thing as GMO food abroad. They don't allow it. Why are you bringing it here?
What are you saying? Are you sure?
It's not there.
Have you done your
They
research
don't
on that?
allow GMO foods abroad.
There are certain food they don't allow. That I know.
They
but you
do
can't
not
say they
allow
don't allow
I'm say-
any GMO
I'm not-
foods.
GMO testing. They carry GMO testing in Africa. They don't carry GMO testing abroad.
Then why do they have organic shops? Why is it indicated organic shops
Okay, so
if they don't have GMO?
okay, fine. Let me break it down for you. So now you can see something like a crate of egg abroad could be like $7, right?
Okay.
So now you now see organically raised hens. Explain for you.
Yeah.
These hens are not stressed.
Okay.
What does that mean? They allow them to free range. They lay eggs anywhere.
Yeah.
The farmers walk around the field and pick the eggs. So the hens are they are happy. The ones in inside cage with machines, they're just 4 birds in one cage. They're locked. They're just there eating, feeding. It's like industrial circle.
Space,
They don't move around.
Mm-hmm.
Those ones are sold for that $7 per crate. The ones that are like free range, $10. So you say organic. So they are happy to lay the eggs. Happy egg. Have you seen marketing? People buy these eggs because the eggs are happy.
Yes.
They sold happiness.
Yes. And funny enough, it's even the rich people that gather such produce. And hold on, because when the money is there, the next thing they think about is health.
True.
So they can enjoy all the money.
True.
As long as they can. So it's a good initiative when it comes to technology, but then health-wise, I wouldn't agree. Even Barbara O'Neill sells, she's a nutritionist, and I really respect that woman a lot. She's like, people do not question what they eat. People do not question health. People do not question medicine. His father, he then talked about his dad. His dad he questioned everything apart from these 2 things I just listed. And she's like, no, she's not going to do that. Because as it is, we need to question what we're taking. We need to question what we eat. And then again, she's really the one that made me realize that you could take in, what is it called, charcoal, grounded charcoal.
Yeah.
You drink and it flushes with poison.
Yeah, I heard that.
I
heard that if you mix charcoal with palm oil for maybe some kind of like poison infection, like if you take it, I'm like, charcoal.
So how crazy
charcoal
that
is bitter.
We have these things and we do not realize that these are the things we have. And most of the times, even, sorry to say, even the young folks now, they go to tertiary institution and then realize what they need to study. Do you get that?
That's what I say. Yeah.
Do you get that slide? So they don't be interested in what they want to study and then go into tertiary. It's when they go, or maybe societal pressure and all that.
I think I'll do this instead of that.
Do you get? Because now this thing here is you realizing what is a question mark, like in real time, is that thing that should give you the permission to discover the answer to that question mark you have.
True.
And that's where the tertiary institution gives you the answer. But it's the other way around, and then we call it education.
It's sad. It's really sad. So, but then what do you think? Like, see your final thoughts. Like, for example, now, do you think GMO should be allowed? Do you think that whole business model should be allowed to run or not?
For me, I wouldn't agree. like not for food. Maybe for maybe for animals, but not for food, not for plants.
Okay, so for like let's say if the
When
if
I
the
say
mosquitoes,
animal, I didn't talk about the ones we can consume. I'm talking about pets, puppy. Abi, is there some
wait,
persons that eat dog?
Calabar people they chop dog now. Calabar that's in the
Really?
house. Where that guy?
I'm not with you on
Okay.
your
Yeah.
this one.
I mean I'm just saying
You're on this alone. I'm
yeah.
not with you on that at all.
Mm.
So, but anyway, see, yeah, even if they do that, certainly there'll be shortage of diversity of crops too.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
that's why
Definitely.
I'm big on no for when it comes to plants. It's a
But
no,
you
no,
said
no for me.
poppy. Like, are you saying that they should
They should
edit poppy's genes to make
Yeah.
them what? Is it like to stay poppy forever or to
stay
not?
puppy forever because I don't like dogs. So it still goes to personal interest to everybody.
Oh, stay poppy forever.
Hmm.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
new.
even me being a lover of cats, I wouldn't want my cat to go so big that to start giving birth. Why?
I just want to be like a kitten for life.
Forever. So cute.
You get see updates though. No, you don't drop updates now. So like maybe the feed just okay for tomorrow. You go sharp now.
Okay, so what do you think? What do you think is the disadvantage for this? Because she's been asking me.
I feel like maybe if you leave GMO first, like there's so many ways to profit off Africans instead of using seed. Like why you have to go through seed? There's so many businesses like Africa on its own is black or like we have dirty gold.
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere you go, there's opportunity to make money. It's just there's no capital.
It's crazy.
Why are you not looking at trying to
Realistic,
create poison? You get. So am I for GMOs? No. Am I for GMOs for animals? Yes. Some specific animals. For example, now let's say just the way you're doing USAID, right? That was giving like free aid to people. Imagine they could make like GMO mosquitoes. Because to me, I feel like the first way to spread anything, use mosquitoes. Because mosquitoes are everywhere. Allow them to like procreate, rebreed, like and just spread around. So imagine giving birth to a baby. And then if mosquito bite your baby, all the vaccines, poliomyelitis, everything.
Yeah.
The baby gets it. From one mosquito bite. Do you get?
Instead of the syringe.
Instead of go to syringe, you go and start busting your because they stab you. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That's cool. Like subscribe me, I'm
And
game.
there's so much money in that sector. There's much money in that sector.
You get?
Medicine.
Yeah. So like okay,
Wow.
talk about let's say for example, let's say people that have let's talk about HIV now. South Africa has the most HIV.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Imagine
go for that.
Imagine releasing mosquitoes that have that
And do
retroviral.
you know that they even like discriminate any person that they find that is HIV positive in South Africa up until today? So GMO should be applied for that.
I mean, it will make sense because if the retroviral is like given to everybody and the load is so because people that have HIV, that they take the drugs and then it's so suppressed that even if they have sex with someone else, it doesn't.
Yes.
Yeah. So imagine pumping everybody with that drug. That way, nobody like even who no gets. Like if you have, it's just going to be like a placebo in your body. But then if you have HIV, actually, it would reduce it. So normal sex is constant thing.
Yeah.
Even if it is not going to spread.
Okay.
So give it to the next generation, HIV would reduce because it's no longer spreading again. It's now stuck with the current
mutation instead because I still hold down to the fact that our body fighting its bacteria is because it's working. And when something is not working as it should, it has a downside. So I feel there should be a mutation. They should mutate the mosquitoes instead of doing the GMO stuff with it.
Yeah, I mean, like, if you're talking about mutations now, you see from that because GMO means genetically modified.
Modified.
Yeah, and that's you like falls under what mutation is because mutation is like changing from one to another. So mosquitoes are supposed to give out malaria, they're not giving out HIV drugs. So they mutated them artificially from what God made them to be, so what human beings want them to be.
Okay.
You get so I still feel like mutations, GMO, all of them, so far say they share the key and they cure some kind of things. If for sharp, imagine this.
Yeah.
Cancer is $1 billion business.
Yes, it is.
$1 billion business. Chemotherapy is mad. The money there is diabolical.
But they're making you feel like they're also spending a lot, like with the instruments.
You get
the equipment.
Imagine one mosquito you don't bite you. You don't collect your daily dose of chemo now. Sorry, that came out very wrong because that's dialysis. But like, imagine like a formula, right, where the mosquito bites you, right, and it's helping you with your cancer. But no, I mean, don't do that because I mean, If we were there, we wouldn't even do that. But okay.
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 So correct me if I'm wrong. Talking about that mutation, I am aware that is making something and changing it in a different form. Right? Not like making something and it's still having same form but different genetics. Just like the turtle. Do you watch that cartoon? Turtle what? Turtle something.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, TMNT. Yes, no. You go grow up, you know what TMNT. Shout out to those guys, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, that's mutation. Like, yeah, that's mutation.
Yeah.
So you're trying to say, like, if it's physical changes,
you know, this genetically modified.
Yeah, it doesn't change their physical form.
Yeah. So that's why I made use of the word.
Okay. I think I understand where you're coming from. I get where you're coming from now. I get where you're coming from. Yeah. I can't say. I have to do research on this. I can't just say, oh,
you know, I always keep you on your toes. All right. So this is looking like a wrap. So what's your last words?
Before you chop rice, try squeeze them.
You get why?
If you go the bounce, you know.
They should not try that with beans. So have they started already?
But that's how we beans. So I better go beans. Beans. No.
Okay. They should really not try that with beans.
And plantain too. Yeah. Yeah. So anyhow, it's a wrap. Thanks for having you guys here. You guys should check, down. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Just hit the button. You know, in Swahili, pigama kofi means thank you very much.
Okay, make use of Japanese words instead.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Yeah.
So, we'll see you
next time. Bye.